Have you ever wondered how to make money online? In the digital age, the internet isn't just a tool for information and entertainment, but also a potential source of income. Today, we're going to explore the process of making money online, step by step. Firstly, identify your skills and interests. Perhaps you're a wordsmith with a knack for storytelling, an artist who can create visually stunning graphics, or maybe you have a keen eye for market trends and investment opportunities. Whatever your talent may be, there's a high chance you can monetize it online. Secondly, research and choose the right platform that aligns with your skills. If you're a writer, platforms like Medium or Kindle Direct Publishing might be your best bet. For artists, websites such as Redbubble or Etsy could be ideal. For those with a knack for investment, consider platforms like Robinhood or e*Trade. Thirdly, create high-quality content or offer top-notch service. Quality is king in the online world, and it's what separates the successful from the unsuccessful. Consistently delivering high-quality content or service will not only attract users, but also keep them coming back. Next, grow your online presence. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and be active on social media. The more visible and engaging you are, the more likely you are to attract a larger audience. Finally, monetize your online presence. There are several ways to do this. You can offer premium content for a fee, sell products or services, use affiliate marketing, or even earn money through ads. Choose the method that best fits your online business model. In summary, making money online involves identifying your skills, selecting the right platform, creating quality content or services, growing your online presence, and finally, monetizing your efforts. It may seem daunting at first, but with patience, persistence, and a little bit of creativity, you too can start earning money online. Remember, the internet is a vast place and there's room for everyone, so why not take the leap and make the most of the opportunities it offers? The journey to making money online starts today. It's not just about the destination, but also the journey itself. Embrace it, learn from it, and most importantly, enjoy it.